So good day. I am the second to the last reporter talking about the other social media. So firstly, what is a Periscope? So Periscope is or was a live video streaming app developed by Kevin Bakeport and Joey Bernstein, later acquired by Twitter in 2015. So Periscope, it allowed users to broadcast live video to followers in real time. Viewers could comment and interact with the streamer during the broadcast. Though it gained popularity, Periscope was officially shut down in March 2021 due to the declining usage and the integration of live streaming features directly into Twitter. So what are the key features of Periscope? Periscope is an app actually, same na siya sa kanang tong Twitter, or nanam ko siya TikTok live, yung Facebook live. So murag na decline na siya as kon kanang murag na baliwala na siya. So ang key features of Periscope is live broadcasting. So users could start a live stream with a single tap nya, kung pareha ng mga Facebook live o na siya, in a single tap mo live stream na siya. Then ang audience interaction, viewers could send real-time comments and hearts during the stream. Parehar po na sa Facebook and TikTok live. Then audience interactions, viewers could send real-time comments and hearts during the stream. So okay po. Then replay and save options. A stream could be replayed later or downloaded by the broadcaster. So kuan siya, ang parehab daw ng mga streamer bitaw na kanang mo kuan sila, maghimo sila mga highlight. So pwede nila ma-replay then i-save to ang mga kuan, mga clips na ma-consider as highlights. Then global discoveries, and users could find and watch live streams from around the world via a map interface. So kuan na siya, bisag streamer na siya, pareha ni iSpeed, bisag international siya, makakita gyud po siya mga live.